Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome back to the TheFonoGuy. So, Samsung has just released the Mini Ultra. I call it this phone, the Samsung Galaxy A32 5G, with the company cheapest 5G phone at €280. Samsung just unveiled its cheapest 5G phone yet. The Samsung Galaxy A32 5G. It will be available in Europe from February 12, and it will start at €280. This is for the 64 GB version, but only for €20 more you can get a 128 GB storage. Samsung is mum on what chips it powers the phone. Its Dimensity 720 according to unofficial info. Samsung just say it has an octa-core 2.0 GHz processor in a 2+6 configuration, and the RAM will be available 4 and 6 GB RAM and 8 GB capacities. Also, there is a micro SD slot for an extra storage. A 5000 mAh battery is on a board to handle the power requirement of 5G. It supports 15-watt charging through the USB-C port. For authentication, there's a fingerprint reader mounted on the side. The Galaxy A32 5G will have a basic 6.5-inch display. The TFT LCD panel has a 720p plus resolution and an infinity V design, aka notch, which houses a 13-megapixel selfie camera. If there is a stranded glass protecting in the front, it is not mentioned in the specification list. On the back, there is a surprisingly no camera bump. The star of the 4 module is the 48-megapixel camera with f1.8 aperture. Then comes the 8-megapixel ultra-wide camera, f2.2 fixed focus, and a 2 secondary module, 5-megapixel macro, and a 5-megapixel deep sensor. The phone is coming in a 4-color: black, white, blue, and a velvet. There is no word on the other market yet, but this is a mass market device and should have wide availability. The Galaxy A32, this one is a 5G smartphone, and it's look like the Galaxy S21 Ultra, which is launched. They will be today. So let me know in the comment section, are you like this mid-range smartphone? And also, this is the cheapest smartphone from this company. And also, like the video and subscribe to my channel for more tech videos. I'll catch you later in my next video. Peace out and bye.